legalize nuclear bombs.
I sound like a horrendous burp.
I'm just watching fun of Freddy.
Anyway.
I'm watching.
Ooh, $100, bro. I'm so rich. How do I play this
Fly
game?
away. I failed.
Bro, this guy's got jiggles.
Bro, I'm recording. Don't recording a video. Anyway, what do I do?
It keeps putting me into another random code.
Where do I go? What the heck is that? What was that? I saw something over here. I want to know what it was. What the?
Hi.
Who is on the radio? Hello?
Let's go gameplay.
We have on video of.
Well, I'm about to record. I'm about to get. What the heck is that? What is that thing? Come over here. What the heck? Hello? What are you? What is this? What if I move? No, what the heck? What was that? What was that? Bro, what the heck? What the heck? Bro, what was that? What was that? No, what was that thing? Bro, what was that? Is that a doomsday device?
Turn your fingers down.
For free.
Do you have to let it be?
Pathetic human meat pile.
Claire, don't shoot it. Someone has to get a point to make it fair.
Join the private server with me.
Who just said that?
Me.
Oh. No.
Where are you?
Hi.
Please. Well, guys, I'll see you in the next part. Yay.
Good job, little kid. Now come to mommy.
Dude, I'm trying to hear you sing.
In the house.
Whopper, Junior, double, triple, Whopper, flame grill taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup is okay if I don't.